In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some essential settings in your Shopify store. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a little refresher, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First things first, we'll start by heading over to the Shopify website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the home page of your store. You can easily do this by clicking on the My Store link, which is typically located within your Shopify dashboard. This link takes you right to your store's main page, providing an overview of everything you'll need access to as a Shopify store owner. From here, the next step is to click on Settings. You'll find this option usually at the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard. This section is crucial because it houses all the vital configurations for your store. Whether it's general store details, taxes, or shipping information, this is where you'll manage those crucial aspects. Clicking on Settings will bring up a wide range of options, but today our focus is specifically on the checkout process. Next, in your settings, look for the checkout option and click on it. This checkout section is a critical part of your store's configuration because it determines how your customers experience the final stages of their purchase. Here, you can customize the information and options your customers will deal with when they reach the checkout page. For example, you can set up how customer accounts are handled, decide what additional contact methods you require, such as a phone number or email address, and even configure the checkout language to enhance the user experience. Once you've made the necessary adjustments in the checkout settings, it's important not to overlook the final step, which is to save your changes. There's a Save button located at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on this button to ensure all your updates are properly applied. It's a small step with big implications. If you skip saving, none of your changes will take effect, and you'll have to redo your configurations. By following these steps, you're making strategic decisions that optimize how smoothly customers can move through the buying process in your store. If you ever need to revisit your checkout options, simply repeat these steps, and remember to adjust as necessary based on customer feedback or business changes. With these foundational tweaks, you're well on your way to enhancing your Shopify store. Thank you for following along, and happy selling.